Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be giving you a little review on my experience so far with these absolutely stunning nails. They are by the seller My Luxe Nails from Etsy. In the description I will be putting a link to a video of mine which basically is going to be me unboxing them. I'm going to be giving you all of the details within that video about where you can buy them from and how much they cost me. And you'll just be able to see the experience from start to finish. So these nails I've been on now for 6 days. They are still looking as beautiful as they did when I first put them on. They are super shiny. They are very, very strong. They are just absolutely gorgeous. I have had these on, you know, without any problems whatsoever. The shaping of them has been absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at them. They are absolutely stunning. I have never felt so elegant and classy and feminine from wearing nails before like I have done with these. I mean, look at the absolute perfection that is that design. I have no idea how she did it, but I love it. Absolutely gorgeous. I've had so many compliments and you can really see why. I did get these same nails in more of a purple colour. So this finger, that finger and the thumb were in the purple colour, but I've had them on already and I did actually forget to do a video on them. But these two nails were the same and they were equally as stunning. The only thing with these nails that I have had is that one, where it's just chipped that little bit on the corner, but that is it, and I think that was my fault anyway. But apart from that, we've had no problems. Like I said, they are super strong, they are super shiny, they are super classy, and I've had loads of compliments. So I would highly recommend this seller. I would highly recommend these nails. I mean, if you want to feel classy, if you want to feel elegant, you're going to want these nails. I think they would be absolutely perfect for, you know, like a wedding, or just if you wanted to feel pretty for a day. Well, for a week in my case. But absolutely stunning. If you have any suggestions for any other nails that you want me to put on, try, give them a go, please do let me know. I'm always up for suggestions. If you have any, you know, feedback, any suggestions for me, any comments or anything like that, please do put them in the comments below. I do like getting feedback and improving and all that kind of stuff. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Please like and subscribe and share this video so I can share my nails with the world. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.